Hey folks, have you ever felt like using a single AI tool just isn't powerful enough? You jump between different apps, one AI writes text, another analyzes data, and in the end, your visuals still look basic and disconnected. Imagine if you could turn your ideas and data into stunning, story-driven visuals, infographics, data visualizations, constellation maps, even strategy boards, all working together like magic. In this video, I'll show you how to combine Google's AI tools, Gemini 3 and NotebookLM to build a simple, powerful workflow. Stick around because by the end, you'll see how using AI together is where the real magic happens. This is Parvez Durrani and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. To begin, we first open NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered research tool that organizes and simplifies information from multiple sources. After opening it, we click on Create New, and here you can see several ways to add content. You can import Google Workspace files, paste any website or YouTube link, add plain text, or drop in PDFs and Markdown files. But for this tutorial, we'll use the Discover Sources option because we want NotebookLM to search the web for us. Inside the search box, we enter our prompt: Latest Job Market and Labor Trend Reports on AI Skills 2025, focusing on sources like LinkedIn, WEF, and Coursera. After clicking Search, NotebookLM begins gathering information from credible websites, and once it finishes collecting data, we simply click Import to bring everything into our notebook. In the center, NotebookLM opens the chat panel where the system structures all the imported insights, and on the right, we have tools to generate overviews, reports, and mind maps. We choose Mind Map, allowing NotebookLM to convert the research into a clean, visual structure with nodes and branches that show all the key AI skills and trends for 2025. After the mind map is ready, we download it and move to Google AI Studio, where we can use Gemini 3 Pro completely free. Here, we enter a prompt such as, create a constellation map showing the most in-demand AI skills in 2025 with 6 main clusters, colored nodes, and hover text for each skill. Use the downloaded mind map structure to organize the constellation. Once we click Run, Gemini generates a polished, interactive HTML-based constellation map. Clicking Preview shows the smooth animated visualization right inside Google AI Studio, with each cluster clearly separated. Model Development in blue, Governance in red, Business AI in yellow, and so on. Finally, we download the HTML file, open it in full screen mode, and view the complete constellation map with all the interactive nodes and information neatly arranged, ready for use in presentations, videos, or AI tutorials. Now let's move on to our second example. Once again, we open NotebookLM and go to the Discover Sources feature. In the search box, we enter our new prompt: GDP growth statistical data of the world's top 10 countries over the last 70 years. After typing the prompt, we click Search, and NotebookLM begins collecting data from multiple trusted sources. Since our goal is to create an animated bar chart, we need clean numerical data. Once the search is complete, we click Import to bring all the gathered information into our notebook. In the center chat panel, we give NotebookLM another prompt: provide statistical GDP growth data in a structured format. This gives us the clean, usable dataset we need for our chart. After the data is generated, we copy it and head over to Google AI Studio to use Gemini 3 Pro again. We paste the statistical data into the model and add our prompt at the top. Create an animated bar chart showing the top 10 countries with the most GDP growth over the last 70 years. Make it fun, dynamic, and fully animated, with the bars competing against each other to reflect changing rankings over time. Use the provided data to generate the chart. After clicking Run, Gemini 3 Pro processes the information and generates the bar chart animation. We then open the preview, where we can instantly see the smooth, clean animated bar chart showing economic growth trends. Finally, we download the file, open it in full screen mode, and view the fully animated visualization. This technique allows you to create beautiful, dynamic bar charts and many other types of animated infographics using the same simple workflow. Now let's move to our third example, and just like before, we begin by opening NotebookLM. This time, in the Discover Sources search box, we enter the prompt, "Summarize key AI tools businesses are adopting, including tool type, maturity level, cost-value ratio, barriers to adoption, and whether to adopt or avoid." Once we click Search, NotebookLM scans multiple resources and gathers detailed insights. After the research is complete, we click Import, and all the information appears in the central chat panel. NotebookLM allows us to generate different output formats, but here we choose Mind Map because we want a clear visual structure for our next step. The Mind Map instantly organizes all the AI tools into neat nodes and branches, showing maturity stages, value, costs, and adoption challenges. After reviewing the Mind Map, we download it and head over to Google AI Studio again. Here, we upload the Mind Map file and enter our prompt, "Create an interactive strategy board for AI tools used by small businesses, including filters for maturity level, cost-value ratio, and strategic action." Once everything is ready, we run the prompt, and Gemini 3 Pro generates a complete interactive HTML strategy board. After downloading it, we open it in full screen, and you can immediately see a clean, dynamic page showing various AI tools that businesses are using today. Each tool displays descriptions, use cases, maturity levels, impact ratings, and more. You can filter by maturity stage, check high-impact options, sort by cost-value ratio, and even filter by strategic action, for example, selecting automation tools. All filters work smoothly, giving you a fully functional strategy board. And with that, this completes our third example created using NotebookLM and Gemini 3. Now we will move on to our fourth example. Once again, we'll go back to NotebookLM, and this time we'll upload a PDF file titled AI Revolution. It's around 20 to 25 pages. After the file is uploaded, we'll go to the chat box and type a prompt. Extract the main insights, key data, and statistics. Organize them into 5 sections: core themes, milestones, data trends, ethics, and future directions. Once the prompt is ready, click Search, and NotebookLM will process the document. When the results appear, simply copy the extracted information. Now we'll move to Google Gemini. Paste the information you copied and write another prompt. Create clean, professional infographics using a light, modern palette, soft blue and gray, with 5 clearly divided sections, simple icons, and clear layouts. After that, double-check the pasted information, and from the model options, select Thinking V3 Pro. In the Tools section, choose the Canvas option and then click Submit. Gemini will now start generating the infographic in real time. You can actually watch the layout being built live. When the result is ready, open the preview on the right side, and for a better view, switch to full screen. Here you can see the final infographic, clean, visually balanced, and very easy to understand. Using this technique, you can create any type of infographic for any kind of information, with almost no manual design work. And that completes our fourth example. This technique is extremely powerful for anyone who wants to create animated, interactive, and visually appealing infographics, tables, and graphs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content just like this.